well, thank you very much for having us. My name is Matt Wampler. I'm a Regional Ops Manager for Garney Construction. So Garney Construction is the leading water and wastewater contractor in the nation. We get to build water plants, wastewater plants, pump stations and pipelines. We do lots of cool stuff with concrete and earthwork and pipelines. So on a water-related job, generally what we do is we're either helping to supply water to the houses, or on the wastewater side, we're building projects that would take that water from people's houses, right? So we help with the treatment, and we help with the conveyance of those pipelines as well. So Garney builds projects really across the nation. We build projects in Colorado as well, and some of the cooler projects we're working on right now are one in Grand Junction. We're building their wastewater treatment plant, so cleaning up the water before it hits the river. We also are working up at Winter Park Ski Resort, working on systems to make snow for the ski resort for this coming winter. And then here on the Front Range, we're building a water plant for Brighton. And again, that's the opposite side of things. We're cleaning up the water for that community. So Garney is a 100% employee-owned company. What that means is, all of our employees share in the ownership of the company. Everybody from the newest employee that's running a shovel in the ditch, to our senior leadership of the company, are all part of the ownership program. And we love that because it really, we're all owners, and then we're all bought in together, right? So we're all sort of pulling the rope the same way, and that's what the ownership side of things is for us. So we're excited to support the Southern Colorado Construction Career Days. We really think that construction is an awesome place for kids to get into. There's great opportunities to work as a skilled craftsman or woman in the field, pouring concrete or installing rebar, or putting pipelines, buried pipelines underground, or we do a lot of mechanical installations as well, and that's like at a treatment plant we would be putting in just the equipment to treat water or to treat wastewater. There's also opportunities inside for like management and leadership. A lot of people will come, they'll go to work and learn some skills in the field, we call it, and then they'll take a step back and they say, I might want to try that office side of things too, and they'll go straight into the office and have an opportunity to do something different in their career, and to help really to lead the projects, to plan them and to schedule them. We get opportunities to work for different communities and customers. So the communities, right, we're providing drinking water and wastewater services through our partners in the engineering world and the owners. We work for lots of different municipalities. So we just get opportunities to serve our communities that way. But we also work in just where we do some like philanthropy work, right? And it's really provides great opportunities for our employees to go out there and serve the community, but it's fun for us to help folks out. Some of the stuff we do there, we've worked at the Ronald McDonald House. We worked for Habitat for Humanity here recently. We built a bunch of bikes for some second graders, and we delivered some bikes down there, which was a ton of fun. So, but why are we here and sort of investing our time in this Southern Colorado Construction Career Days? It's really because we want people to get excited about it. Construction is an awesome industry to be in. You get to turn back at the end of a project and see something physical that you built, and you get to turn back and think about the team that you built it with, and it's just a fun achievement. And then on the working with your hand side of things, it's just there's really no better reward, I think, than like working with your hands and having a skill. So that's why we're in it. We want kids to get excited about it and to get into this industry. And it's certainly a great industry.